Here's the easiest way to remove images from PDF documents. We'll use the free tool, Canva. Go to canva.com. On the home page, press this Upload button here. Now you're going to press Upload and select your PDF file. Go to the Projects tab on the side, and our PDF will be the first document under the Recent heading. Click on it. We'll go down here to zoom in a little bit. Canva automatically detects all the images that are in the PDF. Click on one of the images. You can move it around in the document. You can drag the image by one of the corners and make the image smaller or larger. And you can also press the Delete button above the image to remove it from the PDF. You can scroll down to the next pages and do the same thing for the rest of the document. Now that we're done, press File, then Download. We'll need to change the file type here to PDF Standard. If you're going to print the document, then pick PDF Print instead, and then press Download. And we now open our updated PDF in the browser.